everyone, I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to jump quickly because today is Monday. The Darija Power Course is officially starting today and it's for beginners, which means we are starting from zero, from the right pronunciation to actually know how to express yourself to different topics, but also understanding the structure. And also, I am happy because the students already joined the WhatsApp group and they are introducing themselves, like talking to each other. And honestly, it's already feel like a small family, and I love that. Like we're always like very close, and that's always like super nice. So if you are watching this and thinking, am I late? No, you are not. You can still join today and you won't be lost because I always guide my students step by step and like show them everything. And there is like plenty of options. So for example, if you cannot attend today or one of the meetings are already going to be recorded. So when we have the Zoom meeting today, I'm gonna record it. So even if you could not make it today, you can still watch the recording. And that's why we have the WhatsApp group, because it's an extra practice. You can ask questions, you can like send audios, I give my feedback. So everyone is just as one community. You are never alone in this. Actually learning how Darija works, how like Moroccans are speaking. You are like also learning the cultural aspects of everything. So that's like make you more comfortable and more confident when you are speaking, because you are knowing what comes out of your mouth. You are not just memorizing things. I never tell my students to memorize. We have a specific method that like helps you out being confident and comfortable and actually understanding and speaking. So if you have been thinking about like joining my class, this is the right timing because we're starting today. If you could not attend today, it's completely fine. You still can sign up. I will leave the link in the description box, but also in the comment section. And of course, I will be like sending you the recording of today's meeting and you can start with us, because the students are already like talking in the WhatsApp group, getting to know each other. Everyone have a different reason why they are learning Darija. Most of them, the family, their partners, most of them, some of them like are traveling and they love Morocco a lot, or like they have a business in here. So there is different options. So you will like definitely find that everyone have one reason which is learning Darija. And I would love that for you to actually like start taking action. And then you was like, oh, I wish I've done that sooner, because it's very enjoyable. It's very informative and it's nice because it gives you results that you want to communicate with your family and friends. So I would love to have you with us and we are starting today at 6:30 Moroccan time. Again, I will leave the link. You can sign up. If you can attend today, it's amazing. If you can't, don't worry about it, because I will record the session for you and it's going to be always yours because it's in Google Drive. Everything that you get is lifetime access. So you get everything that you want and you still can download it. You have like the PDFs, you have like the exercises, you have like the challenges. There is pretty much a full program. I can't wait to see you there. Do not hesitate. Take action. That's the most important thing. And I see you inside. Assalamu alaikum.